Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about what is path function, what is point function, what is extensive function, what is intensive function. This question asked in JEE Main 2021. I want to explain each and every term related to this question. First, you have to know what is thermodynamic system. You observe here, even I have shown one system. In a glass jar, a piston is fixed. In this, we will have some gas is bounded in the jar. Now, what is thermodynamic system? A system whose state is completely defined by variables like pressure P, volume V, temperature function. To know what is the path function, we have to know how we calculate the work done on the gas or by the gas in the system. We can find the work done using the graph P and V graph. The area under the curve on PV graph will give you the work done. In this PV volume and pressure graph, we have shown two states. Number one state is with coordinates V1, P1, and state 2 is with V2, P2. To achieve this first state to second state, we have two paths we have shown. Number one A path and number two is B path. In this, you observe to find the area of the path A, that is less, and area under this curve path B is more. So work done A is less than work done B. So what can we say? Work done is a path function. Similarly, heat is also path function. So work and heat are path functions. So first one option is correct. Similar questions will be asked, so we have to know what is point function, what is extensive function, and what is intensive function. So see what is a point function. We call it point function as state function also. A function whose value depends on the final and initial state of the thermodynamic system. We call and internal energy and enthalpy and entropy. So however the mass is in the system, or however we achieved this state, the density will be same. Density never changes, and internal energy also no changes. It not depends upon the path. I will give one mechanical example for this. If you are taking mass m to height h, its potential energy is only mgh. You can achieve this height h in any different ways. I have shown in the figure. You can achieve directly, or you can go from other way, or you can go in another way. But its potential energy depends upon the height only. Similarly, internal energy also depends on the initial and final states. So this is, we call it as point function. A point function is a property of the system. You have to know. Point function is a property of the system. You observe this. What is the extensive function? Extensive function means its value depends on and weight. I have given one example. There are two boxes. There are different sizes. They are made with the same material. Box 1 will have the, if you take their volume, box 1 volume is less than volume of the box 2. So box 2 is bigger and box 1 is smaller. So volume is a extensive function. So its value depends upon the size or amount of the matter. Another one, intensive function. What is intensive function? The properties of the matter that do not depend on size or quantity of the matter. Say, take temperature or density or color, melting point, boiling point. These do not depend upon the size of the matter or quantity of the matter in the system. So I will give example. Density of 1 liter water or density of 100 liters water is same. They do not depend upon. So students, I think you understood 4 types of functions. So prepare well for examination. Thank you.